In this video, I want to show you how to remove shortcut arrows from desktop icons in Windows 10. If you look at my desktop, you can see some shortcut of software and you can see arrow beneath them. If I want to remove this arrow, how do I do it? So to do it, come to search bar here and type regedit. So you can see registry editor. Right click and run as administrator. This will open the registry editor. Come to this folder called HK local machine. Expand it. Then come to the folder called software. Expand it. Then scroll down. Come to the folder called Microsoft. Expand it. Then scroll down. Come to the folder called Windows. Expand it. Then scroll down. Come to the folder called current version. Expand it. Scroll down. Come to the folder called Explorer. Expand it. Then right click Explorer. Put your cursor on the new. Click on key. So here rename it as shell icon. Then come to this blank space, right click, click on new, click on string value. Then rename it as 29. Then double click it to open it. So you can see the value name is 29. Then value data, you copy this value data, which is also in the description box that you can copy. Copy it. Come back to this value data. Right click and paste that value. Click on OK. Then close this page. You can now restart your system. To remove these arrows from these desktop icons, come to Start, click on Power and click on Restart. After restarting, you can see that those arrows has been removed from the shortcut icons on the desktop. Thank you for watching.